In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw lines in Foxit Reader. Whether you want to highlight information or simply make a note more visually appealing, drawing lines in your PDF can be incredibly useful. So, let's dive in and take you through this process step by step. First up, you'll want to launch Foxit PDF Reader from your desktop. This might seem simple, but it's an important initial step to get us going. If you haven't installed Foxit Reader yet, be sure to download it from a trusted source and then locate its icon, usually found if you've saved it as a shortcut or within your list of applications. Once the Foxit Reader is opened, you'll need to open the specific PDF file you're intending to work on. Navigate to File in the top left corner of your Foxit window and select Open. A dialog box will appear, allowing you to browse through your files. Select the document you wish to edit, and it will appear on your screen. Now, focus your attention on the ribbon at the top of the Foxit Reader window. Look for the Comment tab, and when you find it, click on it. This tab contains various tools that allow you to annotate and interact with your document in different ways. Within the Comment tab, you'll see a group called Drawing. Inside this group, search for the line or arrow tool. These icons usually depict a simple line and arrow respectively, making them easy to spot. If you're interested in exploring other drawing options like rectangles or polygons, you'll also find them here. But for today, we're focusing specifically on lines. To begin drawing your line, click on the document where you want your line to start. This initial click will anchor your line to this point. Hold down your mouse button as you drag the line to its desired endpoint on the document. As you drag, you can also press the Shift key to ensure your line is perfectly straight, either horizontally, vertically, or at a 45-degree angle. This feature is handy for maintaining neatness and alignment in professional documents. Once you have your line positioned exactly as you want it, release the mouse button. At this point, release the Shift key as well, finalizing the placement of your line. Your line is now drawn, and you can repeat this process to add as many lines as needed. And there you have it, a straightforward way to enhance your PDF documents by drawing lines in Foxit Reader. Practice these steps a few times, and you'll be a pro in no time. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one.